Hello everyone, my name is Riley Robinson. I'm a sophomore here at Menlo and I'm on the basketball team here. The reason why I chose to come to Menlo College was because of the area, was because I heard how good the school was, and obviously being a part of the basketball program was just a dream of mine to play college basketball. So it just seemed like a good fit for me because I was able to stay in Cali and stay close to home. Just some advice for anybody who wants to come here or is going to college. One thing I would say I wish I knew coming in was my routine. I really struggled with that early on. But once I was able to kind of find my routine, then I had space to kind of, break out and start being social with my friends and stuff like that. So having a routine and just being around the right people is just very important for your college success, whether you play a sport or not. And so I think that's just really big, but wherever you go, you'll be fine. Wherever you go, you'll figure it out.